Well, if you're a Prado fan, you will not be seeing him tonight in A2. That's because he has a dislocated shoulder, or did. Obviously, they probably popped it back in. But speaking with Race Day Live, saying, quote, I overjumped the quad a little bit and I went straight into the berm. I tried to grab onto net because I didn't have anywhere to go, and as soon as I grabbed it, it popped my shoulder out. It's a shame because the crash was not big, just a little mistake with the net and the berm. I just couldn't avoid it and grabbed it, and my shoulder came out. 30 seconds later, it popped back in. It is feeling good right now, not very painful. Need to sit out, rest, and see tomorrow or Monday how my shoulder is. We checked with Alpine Star Center and nothing is broken, so I need to get an MRI and check the ligaments. I'm pretty confident it is not too bad. It is what it is, part of the sport, and hopefully back on the bike soon enough. So this sucks. I mean, obviously, huge name coming over here, world champion, and the longer you're off the bike racing supercross, the harder it's going to be to, I don't know, get used to it. I mean, he needs all of the seat time he possibly can get, and it sucks to see him like this. I mean, it's the stupid little injuries, you know. He misjumped something a tiny little bit, goes to save himself. You know, the worst probably thing. He went to save himself, grabbing a net, and ended up injuring himself by grabbing the net. You know, more than likely he probably wouldn't be fine if he fell over or just fell into the net itself, but it sucks to see. I mean, obviously, it's good for him to recognize that, hey, I'm not, in the championship hunt right now. This is my first year. There's no reason to push myself or make it worse by not knowing what's the damage. And knock on wood, hopefully there is no ligament damage. Hopefully it is his arm just popped out. They put it back in. It's going to be sore for a couple days, and then he can come back for the next round, or even if he has to sit out a round. You don't want to see him get hurt and lose the rest of the year for something like this. But smart of him to take the night off, take the week off, whatever, come back healthy again, and just try and get the feel of Supercross because hopefully he's going to be around here for a long time. This isn't going to be a 1 or 2 year deal, and I'd like to see him get used to it and be competitive soon. So knock on wood that it is okay. But comment down below. You guys tell me. Do you watch Race Day Live? Or are you into the qualifying? Are you all like that? Or you just watch the night show? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.